Yes, you had a question. No, no, no. Questions are never foolish. Answers are foolish. I sincerely believe it. So, questions are always good. Yes, please. Right. She wants you to learn to ask correctly. So don't ask for hard cash to travel. Say I want to travel and visit your places. ये तो मैं बिल्कुल भुक्तभोगी बता रहा हूँ आपको. जब मैंने when I came to know about Mother and Sri Aurobindo, one of the spontaneous impulses in my heart, I want to travel everywhere where Mother's temple is there. Ab I didn't know that there are centers, no temples, nothing, no idea. So she has made me travel. I think I can boast in that sense of that maximum centers I have traveled all over the world. And not only on minimum expense, at no expense. So why you want money to travel? Say I want to travel, mother, to be in places which are meant for you. But always with a caveat. Whenever we ask from the divine, he knows what is best for us. So ask and leave it to her to decide. Sometimes there are some aspirations which may not be fulfilled in one life. I know such instances. And they come back, bounces back, and then suddenly we don't know why there is a traveling to all her places. So ask, but say I want to be in as many places. Then the next level one can say, everywhere I want to see thee, find thee in every one. Even in the lady or the man who is shouting at me, I want to see our Kali Sakshat hoye gelo. I have had a vision of Kali when Sri Aurobindo was in Chandanagar in the cellar down below. So nobody knew because it was a top secret. So even wife of Motilal Roy didn't know. But one day she went to sweep the floor because 15 days. So she opened the Tekhana, whatever it's called. She went down into that cellar. So Bengali woman those days, so her sari is now draped here, and there is a blouse there, which is not like modern fashion. And she is having a jhadu in her hand. She doesn't know what or who is or is there is anybody. And then the description is she looked at Sri Aurobindo. He used to meditate with eyes open, and there was so much light. She saw that she had the jhadu in her hand like this, and she was dumbstruck. She didn't expect anything or anyone. And to see Sri Aurobindo's eyes glowing with that light, and she was like this. What does Sri Aurobindo say? You know Sri Aurobindo's remark? Ar Kali Sakshat hoye gelo. He had the vision of Kali. This. So she will take you. Why not? She will fulfill every genuine aspiration. But always we should know that there should not be any cloak. I'm not now speaking of you, but there are people who claim they want to work for the divine, but they mask ambition within it. This is very dangerous. If you have ambition, say I have ambition. At least be frank. पैसा कमाना है, कुछ नहीं करने को मिल रहा है, चलो मैं एक कोर्स करके पैसा ले लूंगा. That's okay. At least you are being honest. But ambition and spiritual life are terrible mixture, very heady mixture. So with the divine, we should be like a child. माँ घूमने का मन है, बोलो. And she other ways. There was this boy called Prahlad. Prahlad, he spoke like a horse. He walked like a horse. He was a little bit mentally not developed. So mother had said he was the horse of Rani Lakshmibai. used to live in the ashram. She had recognized that he was the horse of Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was herself a vibhuti of the mother. So she had her own reason to keep him. He was not interested in yoga and all, but he was there. So one day he wrote a letter to mother at the age of 30 or 32. Mother, I want an American wife. मदर ने ये नहीं कहा क्या बोलते हो ये गलत है सही है. मदर wrote not in this life. 2 days later he died. Divine has his ways. Divine is not after moral ideas. That is a sannyas path. Okay, I understand your need. From a horse you have taken a human life. You should have first gone through America, China, then come to India. India तो योग भूमि है. यहाँ तो जन्म दुर्लभ है. बहुत तपस्या करके भारत में जन्म होता है. And I mean it very sincerely. It's not just a joke. मुझे लगता है भारत में जन्म होना बहुत पुण्य किया आपने. आप योग के बिना रह नहीं सकते हैं क्योंकि और कोई तरीका नहीं है. And you drink it with the mother's milk. One thing for which I always feel so grateful कि बचपन से अमेरिका में आप टॉक दोगे तो सर व्हाट इज सरेंडर, अब वो अटक जाता है दिमाग. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू एक्सप्लेन. सर फेथ क्या है, कैसे फेथ है, अब हमने भी कभी नहीं सोचा फेथ क्या है. बिकॉज these are things which we just accepted by the very fact of growing here. So after 2 days he dies. He prayed, I want to marry an American wife. तो जाओ फिर लंबी यात्रा करके अल्टीमेटली तो आना यही है. एक फ्रेंच है जो आश्रम में ही रहता है और वो उसका ओरिजिनल नाम उसने छोड़ छाड़ के अभी विमल नाम, विमल अन्ना बोल के सब लोग उसको जानते हैं, धोती पहन के. तो मैंने पूछा एक बार कि हाउ डिड यू कम. ही सेड सी एवरीथिंग आई हैड बट आई वांटेड मोक्षा. And moksha you cannot get anywhere except India. He had this idea. He said, कुछ भी हो जाए आना मुझे इंडिया में है, जो भी डिफिकल्टी हो. So, but it is so true that there are gifts of India which are very subtle. We don't realize it simply because we grow up with it, and you have things outside. So when we ask something, we should be very careful and conscious of what we are asking. So why not ask the divine for the divine rather than what he can give. शिव जी से ध्यान में थे, माता पार्वती ने कहा सुनो जी वो नीचे तुम्हारी बड़ी साधना कर रहा है, थोड़ा जाके दर्शन दे दो. शिव जी ने हाँ हूँ करके, अरे भाई जाओ वहाँ प्रभु देखिए. तो शिव जी जाते हैं, वहाँ एक गरीब आदमी बैठा हुआ, कहते हैं क्या चाहिए. तो उन्होंने कहा कि थोड़ा सोना मिल जाए, देखिए मेरे घर की अवस्था. तो शिव जी जो एक ब्राह्मण या जो भी स्वामी के वेश में गए थे, उन्होंने उंगली लगाई और वो एक घड़ा पड़ा हो तो सोने का हो गया. तो चलने लगे. तो वो कहता है प्रभु खटिया भी है. तो खटिया भी सोने की हो गई. सर सोने की खटिया, सोने का घड़ा, झोपड़ी तो आप देखो. शिव जी ने फिर सोने का हो गया. चलने लगे. वो अब क्या चाहिए तुम्हें. सर वो उंगली छोड़ के चले जाओ. आपकी उंगली में जादू है, आप जाओ ये उंगली छोड़. सो डिवाइन की जो ग्रेस है ना, एक बड़ी सुंदर लाइन है सावित्री में, हेवेंस वाइजर लव रिजेक्ट्स द मॉर्टल्स प्रेयर. तो दें तो बहुत अच्छा, ना दें तो और भी अच्छा. प्रणब दा ने एक बार एक लड़की थी बड़ी, मुझे शादी करनी है, मुझे ऐसा मिल जाए. अब जो भी मिलता था उसको वो बड़ी अच्छी किस्मत थी कि वो सूट नहीं करता था. ओके. So finally she said, Pranab Dan, this one I want to get married. And okay, this was not intentional. So पूछा मैं क्या करूं. तो वो कहते हैं you have prayed to mother. जितना लेट शादी हो उतना अच्छा, और जो नहीं हो तो बहुत ही अच्छा. वो कहती ये कोई आशीर्वाद है. कहते अभी तक तो नहीं सीखी है तो और क्या आशीर्वाद दो. सो यू सी, आस्क बट गिव द डिवाइन द फुल फ्रीडम टू ग्रांट और नॉट ग्रांट, बिकॉज नेवर टेक अवे फ्रॉम हिम the right of his omniscience. and love. So he knows what is good for us. Ask, you can ask anything. You can ask money, you can ask. एक मूवी आई थी इस पर, नोबेल उसको वो मिला था, ऑस्कर फॉर समथिंग, बिडाजल्ड, देखी होगी, काफी साल पहले की बात. So it's the same truth. Ask, but leave it to the divine to give or not give. That is his prerogative. Don't judge based on whether you got it or not got it. There is often a greater love and wisdom when he does not grant. Remember that. Then everything is fine. Asking, there is no problem.